Okay, so we've made all these buttons here. And as you can see, they are all square. Now, maybe you don't want them square. Maybe you want the corners around it. So we're going to click on the button here. We're going to go to advanced and we're going to go to borders, full border. We're not going to put in a border width here, but we are going to put in border radius. And we're looking at the border radius of 10. As you can see, it makes it beautifully rounded here. We're going to go to the next one, schedule appointment, advanced, full border, border radius 10, and we're going to go look for the next one, advanced, full border, border radius 10, and that's it. That's how we do that. We're going to press save, or we can look at our services and we say, okay, we want to do that as well. Advanced, border options, full border, border radius 10, to the next one, advanced, full border, border radius 10, advanced, full border, and border radius 10. So here, advanced, full border, radius 10, and we press save. And we're going to look to see what it looks like in preview. And we can press. That actually looks stunning. Wow. Yes, that looks very good. Absolutely. So we go to the next option.